Greetings. In response to DT's video, Windows users, you need to install these programs. I'd like to share what is most glaring from DT's video that would improve Windows users' experience, as well as his own. A few things DT points out is Firefox is missing in the Microsoft Store. He even comments on it likely being intentional as it competes with Microsoft's own web browser. Rather than addressing this omission, he jumps directly to downloading and installing applications the manual hunt and retrieval method Windows users are accustomed to, rather than improving this experience with Linux's best distinguishing feature that no commercial operating system has been able to emulate near as well, that is, the repository. I've just done a clean install of Windows 10 version 2004, and as you may notice, it is already a bit broken. I haven't restarted, but I will muscle through as it doesn't really matter to the video. From Edge or Internet Explorer, navigate to chocolateygui.org. There, click Install. You'll find some instructions here, but to summarize, copy the string in the box and paste it into a PowerShell window with elevated privileges. Once this completes, type CLS and press enter to clear the PowerShell terminal. For the sake of the video, I'll install the same applications DT installed, as well as the graphical store for Chocolatey to replace Windows Store. My home internet has been a bit spotty, so failures to download are on my end. For programs that failed for me, I simply ran the install command again. From the chocolateygui, you can see what programs have been installed with it, update those programs, install new programs, and uninstall the ones that you no longer need. The GUI isn't a requirement, but I would recommend it for computer users not looking to learn to use the command line. Chocolatey also has commands that can be run by command line to update and uninstall applications for those who would prefer it, or would like to script it to run the updates on a schedule. Let me know in the comments what you think of Chocolatey, and please give me a like and subscribe. I'm still new to creating YouTube content. Your support to get me off the ground floor is still very much appreciated, and thank you for watching.